Hi friends, it's Solo's Creative Corner, and I have some hot glue inside the melting pot. I'm going to go ahead and set that up, turn it on. I'm going to get the hot glue all ready so I can show you how you can make the glue pliable when you're molding. Here's some more pieces that I've gone ahead and made. This one I actually used the acrylic paint. And it's okay. I also used, what I did was I put the paint inside the mold, and then I put the hot glue inside of it. And it didn't really take, so I had to put some mica powder and bring it back to life. So let me get the hot glue ready and the melting pot ready, and then we'll get started. So I have the melting pot ready, and the glue gun is all nice and hot as well. So we'll go ahead and take this mold here, and this is the technique where we pour the hot glue onto the silicone mat. And I thought we would do this one again. So I'll go ahead and put it on there. Press down. Let it chill for a little bit, and then we'll come back to it. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have. Got a little piece cut off, but we can fix that, and I'll show you that. Let me go ahead and show you how we fix that. We're going to go ahead and cut down the piece, fit it back into the mold. So we'll cut down this piece, just like this. And we'll shut down the melting pot, and we can stick that in there for another run. Then we'll take this piece, put it right in here like this. Just like that. Then we'll take the glue gun and fill it in. Go ahead and press it down. Just dip it in the water real quick. And let's see if we fixed it. There you go. Just a little patchwork, and we can make it nice. The other project I said I would share with you is how to make the glue pliable. So we'll go ahead and use this leaf here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use the glue gun again. Let me put you on pause so I can adjust. Okay, here we go. Let's fill this up. So what I mean by pliable, let's go ahead and say that I overfilled it. Let's go ahead and overfill it. Okay. What I do is I go ahead and I put my hands into the cold water. And I might even take a piece of ice and just run it over briefly because we don't want it to get too hard. And now you can see it's pliable. And I can take the excess off. And that's what I mean when I say pliable. I can stick it over here. Let's go ahead and use this little coin medallion. Push it in there. Now we can take the heat gun. Not the heat gun, but the glue gun, and fill in those crevices. Just like that. You can stick it in the water if you want to fast set it. And as far as this leaf goes, of course we'll have to refill it. And then I'll pull this out so you can see it. And I thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please do if you like what you see. And don't if you don't. And let me go ahead and put this out so we can unmold it. I'll go ahead and fast set this real quick before I put it in the cold water. And let me dry it off and I'll be right back. Well, let's see how it looks. Pop this one out. And there it is. I know it's hard to tell because it still needs to be painted. But I'll wipe some mica on there so you can see the detail. And then this little leaf. And there it is. I have some mica powder right here. There you go. Like an aged coin. but it can be better. We're just doing it really quick just to give you an idea of the possibility. I hope you enjoy this video. Appreciate you stopping by, and hope to see you again. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.